Do you want to know how you can light your images in a more dramatic way, just like this? Well, you've come to the right video. If you watched my last tutorial about improving your lighting in 3 simple steps, then this setup will seem quite familiar to you, with just a few slight tweaks to make it a more dramatic image. Starting off, I'm using the same key light, which is the Nanlite Forza 60, but this time I've got a softbox on with a grid. The key light is also placed more to the side to achieve what is commonly referred to as short side lighting, which means you light the side that is away from the camera. This is probably the most common lighting technique when it comes to narrative storytelling. Next time you're watching a movie, check out where the light is coming from on the subject's face. Is it short side or is it near side? I put a grid, also known as an egg crate, on the softbox to control the spill of the light. This allows me to use the softbox while not having the light spill all over the room, or in this case my van, which is a tiny space. For my second light for this setup, it's an LED panel that is just bouncing into a white wall and reflecting the light back onto me. Without this fill light, I would be pretty much in shadow on this side of the face, like this. See? There's not much detail going on here. So that's the entire setup, apart from the string lights in the background, which I kept from the last video. But it's that simple. Just a few simple tweaks to the modifiers and the positioning of the lights and you get a completely different image. And that's the fun part about lighting in general. And it's why I love cinematography, because you can just make slight tweaks and you can change an entire image or the entire mood of an image just by moving a light or changing color temperatures or a lot of things that I will be getting to in future videos. So if you like tutorials like these that are shorter, quicker, simpler, then subscribe to the channel, and a lot more is coming up, so stay tuned.